Yesterday, I googled where to catch a nice sunrise in Singapore and this spot came up. So today, we are going on a small adventure to the so-called Jeju island of Singapore. It has been years since I've taken the time to properly explore the parks or nature spots in Singapore. In a city that moves so fast, life often gets so busy that I forget how important it is to just step outside and be in nature. I'm hoping this vlog will remind at least one person that adventure doesn't always mean going overseas. Sometimes, it's just about finding a moment of peace in your own city. The weather was starting to get really hot, so it was time to move on to our next stop, a cozy cafe about 30 minutes away. I've been to this area many times before, but I had no idea that there was such a beautiful cafe here.
Another one?
We were cycling and then some lady glared at us and she told us that these paths are for pedestrians only. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to cycle if not for the paths. And this is like the Chinese village area, so there's actually quite a bit of cyclists. So what should I have done? Should I be cycling on the roads? Am I in the wrong, or is that just a Karen?
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds.
This place has such a vintage charm. It is decorated with items from the past, giving off a nostalgic retro vibe that really feels like stepping back in time.
Floating easy, we we got nowhere to be.
I'm not really someone that eats breakfast. I really rather just sleep more. But I love brunch. Not just brunch food, but I love it for the feeling. It's not rushed, it's not routine. It lets you slow down, sit back, and just enjoy the company of the people you are with. That's why the brunch vibe is the best. Not breakfast, not lunch, but brunch. I had such a lovely time at the cafe. Now we're off to the round market for the best mala in the east. A few months ago, I was sad to find out that my favourite mala store, the one that all the Temasek Poly students always go to in Tampines West, had closed down. It's always a little heartbreaking to see neighbourhood F&B spots disappear, especially when they were part of your youth or hold special memories. Fortunately, I recently found out that they didn't close permanently, but instead relocated to the round market. Same store, same auntie. I can't wait to have the mala again. Ever since I started working, weekends have mostly been for catching up on sleep and watching some shows. But there's just something special about actually stepping outside, being out and about, cycling through the neighbourhood, and just watching everyday life unfold around us.
Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that. Like summer air through window crack. Feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that.
As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.